Morning class, as we have started with chapter 9, that is pronouns in English language. And I have already explained you what are demonstrative noun pronouns that point out or demonstrate people or things are known as demonstrative pronouns. Now today we are going to do the exercises based on this demonstrative pronoun. C1, fill in the blanks with appropriate form of demonstrative pronoun. I went to the store to buy a juicy perfume, but that was very expensive. Fill that in this blank. Second one, did you see? Those were the same glasses which I had gifted my brother. Those. Third one, Sunday magazine is full of extra knowledge, but this is the article I had been looking for 1 month. Fourth one, the shopkeeper gave me a crate of fresh mangoes, but that contained mostly unripe mangoes. Fifth one, this is the month when monsoon reaches North India. Sixth one, we are standing at an altitude of 5,000 feet, and these are some of the most beautiful grasslands in the world. Seventh one, these are my toys, your toys are there. Eighth one, the bags of this local brand are better than those of other international brands. Now, we have to choose the correct word from this, and you have to do this exercise in your notebooks. Now, let us move to second one. Second exercise is based on interrogative pronoun. That is, pronoun which ask questions are known as interrogative pronoun. Now, exercise G is, given below are some sentences from questions using the interrogative pronouns given in the bracket. You have to form questions from this sentence. First one, my pencil is red in color. Form question. You have to form question from what? What is the color of your pencil? Second one, Priyanka is responsible for the fault. Who? Who is responsible for the fault? Third one, Anita has placed her English book on the table. Where? Where has Anita placed her English book? Fourth one, these bags are mine. Whose? Whose bags are these? Fifth one, I will have chocolate ice cream after the dinner. What? What will you have after the dinner? Sixth one, these books are mine. Which? Which books are yours? Now let us move to seventh one. I will take the aisle seat. Which? Which seat will you take? Eighth one, I live with my brother. Whom? Whom do you live with? Ninth one, I was riding that motorcycle. Who? Who was riding that motorcycle? Tenth one, I read in class 5. Who? Who read in class 5? Now, let us move to exercise E. Exercise E is, fill in the blanks with appropriate reflexive pronouns. First one, she baked the cookies herself for the party. Second one, he had completed the project himself. Third one, Rima has started walking herself without any support. Fourth one, people park their cars themselves after looking at the sign. Fifth one, the doctor attended his patients himself. Sixth one, the earth is revolving itself around the sun. Seventh one, I have hurt myself. Eighth one, the door of the house got closed itself. Nobody was there. Ninth one, a 5-year-old boy made a picture of his mother himself. 10th one, my parents are looking for my notebooks themselves. Now, let us move to exercise F. Exercise F is, fill in the blanks with appropriate emphatic pronouns given in the brackets again each sentence. Now, I have marked the correct answer over there. You have to fill it also in the blanks. First one, we dash scored many runs. Ourselves or themselves? We ourselves scored many runs. Second one is, they dash are the owner of this property. Ourselves or themselves? The correct answer for this is themselves. They themselves are the owner of this property. Third one, she dash brought the puppies from the park. She herself brought the puppies from the park. Fourth one, snake dash bit the tall guy. Snake itself bit the tall guy. Fifth one, the thief dash confessed about the theft. The thief himself confessed about the theft. Sixth one, Mrs. Chitra dash looked into the matter. Mrs. Chitra herself looked into the matter. Seventh one, he dash tripped over the stone. He himself tripped over the stone. Eighth one, you dash are responsible for this mess. You yourself are responsible for this mess. Ninth one, the cobbler dash polished the shoes. The cobbler himself polished the shoes. Tenth one, the lady dash fought with the thieves. The lady herself fought with the thieves. Now, you have to do these exercises till F in your notebooks. You have to note down all the exercises in notebook. Use both black and blue pen for writing. Thank you.